Today we're going to be making Swang's Avenue type beats. As you know, Swang's Avenue has been dropping new music almost every day. So Vinka has dropped a new song called Lala, and AZAWI has dropped a new song called Love Tekawa. So today I've made one of the loops here in our style of AZAWI. Make sure you watch till the end of the video as I break down all this beat that I've made in the style of AZAWI of Swang's Avenue and a song called Love Tekawa. Let's get straight into the video. So as you can see in front of you here, I've already finished making this loop. So all we're going to do, I'll first play the loop, then after I will show you what I did. So let's play it.
Gabbyproscra, you made this shit.
So as you can hear, that's a very good soulful loop that AZAWI would love to use. Not to waste so much time, let's start breaking it down. Only thing I did, I played the keyboard from Labs. This is how I played it. In front of us here you can see I played a very simple chord and I just keep repeating on the same thing and I changed the last one. So this was how it was. So as you can hear, it's so easy and simple and AZAWI would love it. I tried copying the same code but I changed some things. So as you can see, it sounds like this. It was the same instrument from Labs. So then I went and added this plugin that I downloaded. It's called BV3. I didn't over repeat it, only once, as you can see, as easy as this. So then after I played the bass, as you know, this kind of AZAWI songs you have to play like two bass, the chorus bass and the verse bass. So this is the first one. I played like this. So as you can see, you should supposed to play it simple, not to overcomplicate it, and you should leave space for the artist. You need not to overcomplicate it and just play it as simple so that you can give enough space for the artist. There was the second bass that I played. It sounded like this. So as you can see, it's still not so complicating. It can still give the artist space to put our lyrics. Another thing that I added was from a plugin called FabFilter Twin 3. It's also a free plugin, you can download it. I just kept on laying it with other plugins like FabFilter, one from the same company of FabFilter. So this was another thing, but I laid the same chord. It sounded like that. If you go on the another one, I picked a preset called The Old Days and I added on it FabFilter 1 also. It sounded like this. I went and played a flute. This one was also a stock plugin. I did the same thing. I just copied and laid it. So after I added a preset called Tesla Pipe from plugin called Flex, it sounded like this. This plugin, mostly if you're a Travis Scott fan, Travis Scott likes using it in most of his music. And for me, I'm a Travis Scott fan, so if you're a Travis Scott fan, you know what I'm talking about. Then I added a string from Flex also. It sounded like this. So that string was coming from Flex. That thing, like, they're in the church, but I didn't want it to go longer. That's why I had to cut it short in the middle, so I can give space for the artist. So I added what we call Purple Lullaby. It sounded the same, just laid the same key. I went and played the vocals, preset called Voice in a plugin called Flex. So it sounded like this. I laid almost just the same key. I played a flute, and this flute, it's like the ending flute where the artist puts the last verses. So I played it many times. It sounded like this. I played Kalimba from Flex also. It sounded like this. Played now the last one, which was xylophone, to close everything. It was mostly as simple like that. So now let's play the full loop before I start showing you the drums.
Gabbyproscra made this shit.
So as you can hear, that loop, it's so easy, smart and simple, like AZAWI, and AZAWI should hop out in for it for sure. So the drums, I went and added a shaker. This one is from one of my loop kits. So if you hear that new song of AZAWI, Love Take Hour, it had some simple shakers. They didn't play too much, so it's what I tried doing here, just simple. It sounded like this. I added a crash, and then I added a snare, then it entered like this. Then I added some fills in the middle, so all it sounded like this. So now, as you know, always our kick, it jumps 4 times. It's like this. That was all about it. Let's play the full beat.
Gabbyproscra made this shit.
that was more of it of today. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share. In case you feel like you need me to make some more future videos, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be able to check and make sure I do the right thing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.